This is my educational application, Magnus. My application has 5 major features: brain training, phonetic, challenges, quizzes, and award. Brain training is a feature that helps the user to think English. They probably know what a word means, but they should be careful before giving any answer, because a word can be a noun, an adjective, or an adverb. Phonetic is a feature for those who are not from an English-speaking country. This feature is an amazing one to help improve the pronunciation. Quizzes are included as the questions of the game. Challenges are mini-games. The question in mini-games may seem easy, but they are actually not, as they may require precise information. Award. Each time the user finishes a section, there's a piece of relaxing music as a gift will be given. Besides, the application also has a tutorial feature and a licenses feature, which are extremely important to an application. Tutorial is put inside each game, and licenses is put as a legal section of the game. Let's take a look at the code. In my app.js file, I have a function that loads all the sound files in. In the welcome page, I change the body color, add the logo of the game, add the legal and about sections, create 3 buttons for 3 different types of games. I have 15 files for basic games. They're pretty much the same, but just a little different in the length and the data. A basic level has 3 games, 2 matching games and a guessword game. The matching game is created by, firstly, creating a container which contains all the boxes, and I resize the boxes using CSS. I also use this similar method to create all the boxes on the other side of the screen. And then I add a for loop to keep creating a number of boxes inside the container. And then I add an onDrop and onDrag functions on those boxes. Lastly, I create an instruction function for the game. Guessword function, I access the data to get the word's type, the word's meaning, and the letter of the words. I added a for loop to keep creating the boxes for the user input. And then I create a check answer function. In there, I want the game to happen a number of times, let's say 10 times in a level. After 10 times repeating, the guessword game will finish and lead the user to another level.